My video guide will give you instructions on getting rid of the dangerous pop-up windows that are associated with the website whizreader.com. So this is the malicious pop-up that tries to force you into downloading and installing a special extension called Whiz Reader. The pop-up is presented as some important download or some update of the browser, but the point is that it is strongly advised that you don't agree with such a misleading proposal. Because if you actually install this extension to the Google Chrome browser, your Google Chrome may be hijacked and infected, and I strongly urge you not to proceed and not to install this extension. The point is that very often such third-party extensions are installed through bundling with some free applications. So if you have installed something like that by mistake, you need to immediately undertake the measures to fix your browser. So how to remove unwanted extensions from your Google Chrome? Go to the menu, click on More Tools, then choose Extensions, and now you need to delete this Whiz Reader extension. So disable and remove the extension completely. Such extensions, if not removed, may forward you to a lot of other suspicious websites and generate numerous pop-ups like this one. So obviously the extension needs to be disabled and deleted. And if you see some other strange extensions, also be sure to get rid of them. Now, I would also strongly recommend that you scan your Mac computer with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, downloading the software, and clicking on Start Combo Scan to begin the full research and investigation of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and at the end of scan, the program gives you the full report about the security situation with your Mac computer. So in the antivirus section, you will see the total number of threats found. You may click on Review Results. So this will show you the exact names of threats and where exactly these threats are located. How to get rid of these threats manually? You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you its location in Finder. You may right-click on each specific threat and move it to the trash. You may do the same thing with all other threads. However, some threads can only be removed with Combo Cleaner Premium version, so consider purchasing this premium version to get your Mac fully cleaned and protected.